Hello, this is Mr. McClellan, the father of Madeline McClellan, and I'm attempting to do a screen capture right now to hopefully get some assistance for her work and some organization. So bear with me, please, if I make any mistakes, because this is my first time doing this, and I'm over lunch break, so I'm a little bit stressed for time. So right now, here is where the main confusion lies. If I go to her teacher's dashboard classroom, we have assignments and modules that I understand that she has to complete. And right now we receive an email from Mrs. Dirkos, among many, right here. And there's so many emails it's getting kind of jumbled and confusing on what is what. Because I'll remind that this is a third grader that we're talking about. So if we click on assignments, these are all the assignments that are posted on Canvas. Now, we've attempted to do several of them. As an example here is this one, What Makes a Narrative. But where my daughter gets stressed out to the max is when she actually looks at all the assignments that are on here. As a third grader, if I look at all these assignments, this is completely overwhelming. She thinks that she has to click on everything on here. And I mean, I don't know how many are on here, but this has to be along the number of 100. This is in the third grade. She doesn't know what has to be done during a week, during a day, and it's stressing her out completely. This is very, very overwhelming. I know that the dates are on here, but some of these are a lot when I click on them, and some of them aren't. If this could be organized to do today or do this, I understand that it says available until, but that doesn't say when it's the limited time frame. And some of these are old and some of these are unlocked. It's just very confusing. I mean, this is a lot of things to think about when you're clicking on the screen. And then there's modules that I understand she has to do during her independent time. But then again, these modules, are they part of the grade? Are they an assignment? And if she doesn't get them done on one day, should she go back? It's very confusing, and right now she just sees 0 points in here and thinks that she's failing school. There was also an assignment today that involved a quiz, and I see that since I've checked that email, which is down here somewhere. No, that was on my email. There's several other emails that were sent that I haven't even gotten a chance to read through yet. I see one of these says office hours from Ms. Dirkos, which I appreciate, but it also says that she will be available during asynchronous times. I attempted, and I'm still attempting to log into her Zoom link, but it says that she's unavailable right now when she said that she would be. And I'm trying to figure out how can I get some assistance as a parent right now, because my daughter is, among other things, stressing out about a broken hand that she received last week. But right now, she doesn't know about this quiz that she has to take for reading. She's stressed out about her grades going down and just has basically given up for the day and is crying in a corner right now. So please help me, because I'm trying to work things out. Also, her laptop needs to be replaced. And my wife called the district today, and they didn't give her a straight answer on how to replace her Chromebook. Her Chromebook does not have a good internet connection, and all the videos that she sees Ms. Dirkos do are lagging. She can't get the right internet speed to go through. All the other laptops in her house do work, especially the ones that were provided by the district, but this one does not. We simply need a new Chromebook to start. However, we were told to put a ticket in, because a ticket is what you have to do. So I went to the website for the district to put a ticket in, and it sent me to a link. I don't know if you still have it. I should. I don't know where the link went, but it says to put a username and passcode in to submit a ticket. I don't have a username and passcode to put in a ticket for my daughter's laptop. I just want some help. But I need to put in a username and a password just to put a ticket in for technology? I mean, that's crazy. Because on top of all the things right now to think about, I have to think about how to obtain a password to put in a ticket in for a problem. And if I email someone, they say, put a ticket in. So I really don't know what to do. Oh, here it is right here. So I'll put the Zoom link away right now. Here it is. Put a ticket in for a service desk call for the district, but I can't even do that right now. So the bottom line right now is that we need help. We need a new laptop. I'll be happy to drive up to Halsing and get a new Chromebook if I'm allowed to. And the assignments, please, if you could organize them or simplify them in a way that we can understand what needs to be done. Because right now, I'm logging into her screen on my own laptop right now. Lost the tab for Classroom. Here it is. Courses. So she has daily modules. I can understand that, but I don't understand if they hold the same weight as assignments or not, how they're being checked, or if they're even talked about in class. And then if you go to her assignments, I wish it had the number that are on here, because I'm going to guess it's probably around the number of close to 100 different things that you can click on right now. Literally. You can see how this would overwhelm a third grader. If she clicks on the screen, she's completely overwhelmed. And to be honest, I'm a bit overwhelmed as well. So please, if you could reach out and communicate with me, I would appreciate it. My number, my 734-674-8426. I'll be done teaching my own students at the end of the day at 3 o'clock. Or email me. I know that you have my email on file because you've emailed me several times. Or please, if we could arrange a Zoom meeting where we can get a better handle on how to help Madeline out, because right now she is struggling 100%, and it's affecting her very much emotionally. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to having a positive conversation and trying to get some help. Thank you.